Hello, my name is Cristina Montoya. I'm a program leader at Kornblum Elementary School in Hawthorne District. Today, I'm going to teach you how to make flowers from tissue paper. I already cut the paper because I think we don't have too much time. And I'm going to use 3 pieces of paper, 1 pipe cleaner. And how we're gonna do, we put the 3 pieces of paper together. We're gonna be folding like if you are making a fan. You fold from to one side and then to the other side. Okay, you can use any kind of paper, but I'm using this paper because I think it's easier to fold it. So now we're gonna tie the middle. I'm gonna cut the ends, that way the flower is gonna look cuter. It's very easy, you don't need too many things. So we open the paper and then carefully we're gonna put one layer at a time. Okay, you put it up, you grab the other end, and we have a beautiful flower. You can put more than 3 pieces of paper. You can use more, so the flower is gonna look better. It's something cute and easy. Thank you, see you soon. And don't forget, stay at home and be safe.